Right, today all I'm doing is just doing riding footage. I'm riding a motorcycle and have the GoPros mounted, and I'm doing some riding. I'm doing Needles Highway and Iron Mountain Road today. And right now I'm just on a picnic, just finished eating and just sitting along Iron Mountain Road right now watching the bikes go by. There. Kind of fun to just sit here and watch them go by. Like I do up in Spearfish Canyon too. I don't know why it's so fun to do this. It's just, I like doing it. And just like that, it's quiet again. I'll get some more. Sometimes you get really long lines going both directions at the same time. And then suddenly it's just peace and quiet. Not a peep. It's nice and quiet. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'm not even going to go into town. I'm not planning on that at all. Just doing nothing today. So, anyways, I'm going to take and sit here a bit longer and probably do some more recording of bikes going by, and just a short, really short video today. And there they go. Okay, like I said, okay, I'm jumping in on this video here. Going to be wrapping it up now. I'm gonna wrapping up this trip. Is coming to an end. I'm heading home tomorrow, so this is the last video as far as the daily videos I've been doing while I'm at the rally. But I still have footage that I have not included in any these videos, and I still have a lot of riding footage, with the GoPros, and hopefully all that turned out with with both cameras and my audio recorders. Hopefully all that turned out, and I'll be able to use that in future videos too. I plan on having a highlight reel coming out, you know, sometime. I have no idea when all this is going to happen, but I have a lot of editing to do yet, and it takes a while to do, especially the riding footage. But anyways, thanks so much for watching my videos this year, and I'm looking forward to next year. And thanks for watching.